Assam is witnessing perhaps the most energetic and politically charged up panchayat elections this time. Voting for the first phase of the panchayat polls began at 7 a.m. today and is witnessing a steady turnout of people. Today, voting is taking place in the Gram Parishads, Anchalik Parishads and Jila Parishads across the districts of Eastern Assam and Barak Valley regions. A total of 14 districts are going to panchayat polls and the first phase today for the first time after the delimitation of the constituencies in the state. Elaborate security arrangements are in place to ensure free and fair polls with polling officials already deployed at designated polling centres. Polling in the first phase will be held in the districts of Tinsukia, Dibrugarh, Soraido, Sivsagar, Majuli, Jorhat, Golaghat, Dhemaji, Lakhimpur, Sonitpur, Bishwanath, Kachar, Hailakandi and Sri Bhumi. In the second phase on May 7th, polling will be held at Dhubri, South Salmara, Mankachar, Gwalpara, Bongaigaon, Borpeta, Bojali, Nolbari, Kamrup Metro, Horjai, Nogao, Moregaon and Dorong. A total electorate of 1.81 crore comprising of over 90 lakh male and 89 lakh female voters will exercise their franchise in 25,007 polling stations. The total seats include 21,920 Gram Panchayats members with 10,883 seats reserved for women, 2,192 GP presidents including 1,097 reserved for women, 2,192 Gao Panchayats vice presidents with 1,108 for women, 2,192 Anchalik Parishad members with 1,124 reserved for women, 181 AP presidents with 98 for women, 181 AP vice president with 96 for women and 397 Jila Parishad members with 199 seats reserved for women. A total of 348 Jila Parishad and Anchalik Parishad candidates have already been elected uncontested, with the ruling NDA establishing a lead with 325 seats according to the Assam State Election Commission. Well, it may be mentioned here that the NDA has already secured 37 Jila Parishad, 35 BJP and 2 AGP and 288 Anchalik Panchayat, 259 BJP and 29 AGP seats unopposed. Independents have won 15 Anchalik Parishad seats, the Congress 9 and the AIUDF 1 seat uncontested. Well, Assam is witnessing perhaps the most energetic and politically charged up panchayat elections this time. Votings for the first phase of the panchayat polls began at 7:30 a.m. today and is witnessing a steady turnout of people. Well, today voting is taking place in the Gram Parishads, Anchalik Parishads and Jila Parishads across districts of Eastern Assam and Barak Valley regions. Alright, since it's the first phase of panchayat elections and the first phase is happening in Kachar district, and we have our correspondent Bikram Sarkar joining us live at this point of time. Bikram, how is the atmosphere out there? The voting has started at 7:30. What is the turnout of the people? Over to you, Bikram.
Yes, Reshma, we know that today is the big day of Assam where the Gao Panchayat elections first phase is taking part, and we are standing at Kachar's one of the GP area, that is at Barshangan GP area, Gao Panchayat, and you can see in my back that in all the polling booths, the voters have standing in the queue waiting for their turn. If we talk about the Kachar district, there are total 10,60,155 voters, out of which 5,31,661 are the male voters and 5,28,479 are the female voters who are going to decide the destiny of the contesting participants here. There are 25 Jila Parishad seats in which 22 BJP is fighting, and with his allies AGP is contesting in 2 seats, where across if we talk about Congress, they are contesting in 22 seats. If we talk about Anchalik Panchayat, there are 162 seats where BJP is contesting in 149 and Congress is contesting in 111 seats. And there are 162 Gaon Panchayat members, and along with that there are 1602 ward members who are contesting, who are trying their luck in this election. And we know that there are two BJP ZPC Jila Parishad members who has already won unopposed, and 35 Anchalik Panchayat won unopposed, and now the remaining are trying their luck. You can see the voting is going to start, and the voters are standing in the queue, and many of them are coming, and we are seeing that the arrangements are made very beautifully. We are standing at Kalika Prasad Rai Higher Secondary School at Varshangan, and here the Minister of Assam State Kaushik Rai is also going to come at 8:30 to cast his vote. Rishma.
Well, Bikram, if you could ask your video journalist, camera person to pan around the camera and show us the atmosphere around the voting, polling station.
Yes, I'll ask my video journalist Nirma Malakar to pan. You can see the aged people are also coming in to cast their vote. He is panning to show you the atmosphere of the voting day. The people are also helping the aged person who came here to cast their vote. You can see the females came with lots of numbers in the very early in the morning, and they are going to cast their vote. And in each and every polling booth where we are standing in this polling station, there are total 6 number of polling booths where the voters are going to cast their vote. We'll try to ask some of the voters. दीदी, क्या मन बना के आए हैं? वोट डालने, घर का काम वाम खत्म करके आए हैं या जाके करेंगे? क्या? अच्छा, आपको हिंदी बोलना आता है? हिंदी आता है? See, as we know that this is a Gaon Panchayat election, the people from the village area, they are a little bit of shy in talking, but yes, they have prepared their mind. Our video journalist will be showing you, and I'll ask to show him. The atmosphere is very beautiful. It's a bright sunny morning today. And
yes, Bikram, you can go ahead and ask them questions in the native language as well, and translate it to our viewers. What are their needs? What are the basic needs, and why are they casting their vote this time for a change?
Definitely. We will ask some of the voters here. There are some male voters who would like. I'd like to talk to them. So, दादा, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, वोट डालने आए हैं, क्या दिमाग में लेके आए हैं, कैसी व्यवस्थाएं होनी चाहिए आने वाले, जो भी जीते, किसको देंगे वो बड़ी बात नहीं है, मन क्या बना के आए?
जो भी जीते, हमें लगता है कि हमारे गांव के इलाके को मतलब डेवलप के करे, ऐसा आशा लेके तो हम तो वोट डालने आए हैं।
कौन से क्षेत्र से बाकी हैं जिसमें काम हो और भी ज़्यादा होना बाकी?
जैसे कि हमारा रोड हो गया और पीने का पानी का व्यवस्था हो गया, वो सब काम तो ज़रूरी है उसके लिए।
आप बच्चा लेके आए हैं वोट डालने?
बोलिए सर।
ओके, तो क्या सोच के आए हैं?
कुछ तो सोच कर नहीं आए हैं, ऐसे ही जैसा कि वोट डालना है तो वोट डालने के लिए आया है।
अपने वोट का मत का प्रयोग करने आए, जो अधिकार है।
हाँ।
ओके, यू कैन सी यहाँ पे बहुत सारी महिलाएं हैं। दीदी, अपना वोट दीते एस्टेन की भेबे एस्टेन?
हाथिया
सॉरी, আপনি কি ভেবে এসেছেন, মানে কি উন্নয়নের এখনো বাকি রয়েছে যেটাতে আপনারা দেখে ভোট ডালবেন?
আমরা বুঝি না তো।
See, Reshma, there are people who came here for casting vote for the development of their own areas, like drinking water, then roads are necessary, and you can see the females are very much shy out here. We will talk to some of the male. We would like to talk to the male. So अभी वोटिंग स्टार्ट हो गया क्या?
वोटिंग स्टार्ट हो गया।
ओके, क्या सोच के आए हैं दिमाग में, कैसा चाहिए जो आने वाले जो भी हो, जिसको भी आप डालें वो बड़ी बात नहीं है, लेकिन उन्नयन के लिए क्या क्या कैसे काम है जो करें?
वो मतलब जो अच्छा है, कैंडिडेट अच्छा कर सकता है, उसकी हम लोग चुन रहा है। फिलहाल ऐसा तो कुछ बात नहीं है, बस इतना ही देश के लिए काम करे, ग्राम के लिए काम करे, वो इतना ही।
बहुत बड़ी बात है। आप क्या सोच के आए हैं? जैसा Reshma, that is the important thing that comes in their mind, is going on their mind, is for the development of the country, for development of their own village, so that they get all the necessary amenities that are meant for the public. Reshma.
Yes, absolutely, Bikram. It's 7:30 now, and the voting has just started. But that's a good number of people who have just come in the morning to cast their vote. Well, you also showed our viewers that there was this senior citizen who had come to cast vote. If you could try and catch up with the lady and talk with her in the native language and get back to us, and also ask the
Yes,
people about
yes,
the health
yes.
conditions, health infra, or the education.
Yes, we have one of the old person. दादाजी, आप वोट डालने आए हो? ভোট দিতে এসেছেন?
হ্যাঁ ভোট দিতে পারি
ভোট দিতে এসেছেন। ভোট দিয়ে দিয়েছেন?
না আর কোনো পাত্রই নাই
আচ্ছা, কি ভেবে এসেছেন?
হ্যাঁ
ভোট যে দেবেন, কি কি উন্নয়নের জন্য দেবেন?
তো সিন আনছি না তো
কি কোনো কাজ হওয়া বাকি আছে এখনো গ্রামে?
আছে কিছু কাজ
যেমন
আছে আছে
কাজ আছে। সি রেশমা, দিস আপনার এজ কত, বয়স কত হবে?
100-এর উপরে
হ্যাঁ
100-এর উপরে
100-র উপরে? রেশমা, সি
Yes.
this is the person
Yes.
whose age is above 100 whom we are talking to.
50 বাংলার আগে জন্ম আমার
50 বাংলার আগে জন্ম। বাহ, এত বছর থেকে আপনি ভোট দিয়ে আসছেন, কিছু চেঞ্জ দেখছেন সমাজে?
না
সেম রয়েছে?
হয়
সেম রয়েছে, হ্যাঁ। See, Reshma, we are talking to a
Yes,
old
Vikram.
age person whose age is around 100 and above, and he's saying from past many decades he is casting vote for the changes that they want to get in their village and all. And we have seen some old ladies who entered, maybe they are casting vote when they comes they hear ये जो बहुत एक बूढ़ी औरतें अंदर गई हैं, वो लोग क्या वोट डाल रहे हैं या आएंगे अभी बाहर?
ना वोट डाल रहा है, वोट डाल के आएंगे बाहर।
वोट डाल के आएंगे ना, ठीक है। So we will try to catch
Yes,
the ladies
Bikram, if you could
and we'll
also
try
tell
to
our
get the
viewers
reaction
how
and
is the
opinion of the
security
ladies. There is
arrangement
another
there?
woman, old age lady. দিদা, আপনি ভোট দিতে এসেছেন তো?
হয় হয়
কি ভেবে এসেছেন, মানে কি কি চাই উন্নতি?
ভোট দিতাম
The main important thing is to cast their vote. All the voters out here are saying that the important thing is to cast their vote, and they have in their mind which they don't want to open up. But yes, we are seeing the good number. Our video journalist is showing you the
Yes,
good
Bikram,
numbers
also
of
if you could tell our
voters
viewers
in
how-
each and every booth. In each and every booth, we are seeing from the very morning, they are in a queue. They are standing in the queue, turning for their own turn. Reshma.
Yes, Bikram, if you can hear me, how are the security arrangements there?
হবে
All right, viewers, these are the live visuals coming in from Silchar, where Assam is witnessing perhaps the most energetic and politically charged panchayat elections. Well, Bikram, if you can hear me, how is the security arrangements over there?
Yes, about the security arrangement, we are seeing that the polling officers are there, and here the police personnel are also been deployed. The police personnel are also. Is the casting of the vote started?
It's already started.
It started. How is the security arrangements? So you see, they are the busy person here who are the polling officers. You can see the police is there, the security forces in each and every polling booth outside. They are on duty from very last day. They are on their duty
All right,
in each and
Vikram,
every
we'll get
polling
back to
booth.
you in our later bulletins. Thank you for joining us and showing us the atmosphere early in the morning in Silchar.